All right, good morning, channel cats. It's boat cleaning day. Fixing a storm here in a little while, and what better time than to get your boat cleaned instead of going out into this nasty weather. It's about to be stormy, windy, rainy, all that stuff. Guys, we're going to do a comparison on a couple of products today to clean off this nasty Chattahoochee mud. This stuff right here gets gummed up on my boat something fierce, and I'll be honest with you, I have a hard time getting it off with about anything. Closest thing I've used to get it off is this mag wheel cleaner. It's basically muriatic acid, but the guys over at Better Boat sent me some spray hull cleaner, and we're gonna see how this stuff works today in getting this boat mess cleaned up. So let's see. It says clinging gel formula removes stubborn stains, clean stains from grime, waterline, rust, and more, safe for fiberglass and painted surfaces, but it says don't drink it, so we're not gonna drink it. Don't know if you're supposed to shake it up or anything, but all right, so give a little squirty squirt right here on that one. Give a little squirty squirt. I like the viscosity of it a lot better than this stuff here. You can't tell my boat is parked on a pretty good angle. So, all right. Oh wow! Look at that! Look at that! That's pretty good, man. That is pretty good. They both did the job, but I'm sure that this right here is going to be a lot better to get it sprayed around. That's awesome. That is absolutely awesome. Go ahead and spray this guy all the way around. I tell you, this stuff's just running off like water. We'll do a quick before and after, but this stuff right here, it sprays on really, really well. I like the way it kind of comes out versus this stuff here. I think they're both acid. I could kind of smell this one a little bit. Definitely not safe to consume, but I think it's going to work out real nice. There are fewer things more satisfying than a job well done when you're finished cleaning your boat, but I hate cleaning a boat. Guys, it's looking real good. Check this out. I'll do a before shot real quick just to show you what it looks like to clean off this nasty Chattahoochee mud. And now an after shot. I mean, I didn't do a great job getting like down there, but like where that scum line was, it's gone. Absolutely gone. Didn't do a real good job on this side either, but again, where that scum line was right in there, it is gone. You can actually see where I kind of stopped right there. This wasn't a full detailed job, but you got to knock that slime off the boat. It was starting to stink pretty bad. Appreciate you guys watching. Again, check out betterboats.com. They have got some things that will make your boat a better boat. Go check them out. Links in the description below. God bless. Y'all have a good one. I'm tired.